This might just be the softest and most flavorful lemon cake I've ever made at home. It's light, it's zesty, and the best part, you only need one bowl and zero fancy tools. Today, I'll be showing you exactly how to make it. We will start by adding 3/4 cup of sugar into a bowl, that is 150 grams. Then we will add the zest of 1 lemon. Remember to wash your lemon first. We will be using this hand grater to zest the lemon. After that, we mix the lemon and the sugar together. The roughness of the sugar helps in activating the oil in the lemon zest in order to increase and enhance the flavor. Next, we add 120 grams of butter. Mix very well until it's properly combined and it looks very creamy. Next, we add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, that is 30 ml, 2 whole eggs, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, that is 30 ml, half cup of milk, that is 120 ml. Mix very well using a whisk until everything is properly combined. Next, we add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, that is 180 grams, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of salt. Mix very well until the batter is looking smooth and luscious. After mixing, we will set it aside and then bring our baking pan. Then we grease it with butter and some flour. If you don't want to grease your pan, you can just layer it with parchment paper, though it depends on the shape of the pan. Transfer the cake batter to the pan and bake in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit, or until the toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. After baking, go ahead and take it off the pan and place on a plate so that it can cool down completely. Your cake should look this beautiful after baking it. It's soft and very fluffy. It's time to make the glaze. The glaze further enhances the taste of the cake. You can skip it if you want, it's totally optional, especially if you want to cut back on sugar. For this, we will need 1 cup of icing sugar and 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix very well until it's very smooth. Mine looks a bit watery because I added more lemon juice than required, but yours will not be if you follow the recipe. Drizzle the lemon glaze all over the cake once the cake has completely cooled down. Then sprinkle some lemon zest for extra beauty. If you like this video, please kindly support my channel by subscribing, liking and commenting. Also, feel free to share the recipe with your loved ones. Check out the other recipes I have on this channel. I'm sure you will find something you love because there's something for everyone there. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be recreating this recipe at home. Also, I would love to read about your questions, about your recommendations and suggestions. It keeps me going and encourages me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.